In this video, we're going to be creating an improvisation, a song-like improvisation, using triads in both hands, just on the white keys. Basic triads, using our thumb, our third finger, and our fifth finger in both hands. All of these root triads just on the white keys, like that. But instead of doing them block as I have been playing them, we're going to be playing them in a broken fashion. At first, let's try breaking them going up. So instead of this A triad being a block, we're going to move up the tones. And maybe I move up the tones on this one too, sort of as an answer. I'm going to move to another location. I did them both on A. I'm going to move to F. I'm going to move to G. Same thing on E. Let's hear it more continuous. Again, to F, to G, to E, to D, to F, to G, to A. It's a very simple idea, but it can be very pretty. Let's go down to this A. C, G, A, C, G, E. But you get the idea. It's very simple. Just breaking the tones or arpeggiating those chords, going left to right through both hands. Now, we could go with breaking the tones down from the right hand down. We could stop sometimes. Longer pauses. Again, a simple idea. Now, lots of ways to break up the triads. We could come up with more of a pattern. Let's say we'd go up and down. We're in G right now, the G triad. Let's create something more melodic with this one, less active. Whoops. Let's go to F. I did the same figure. This figure has remained the same. This little idea, I moved to F. I moved back to same little melodic fragment or motive. In A, I can have this hand be the one. Start on the E. Let's go to G. To F. So see, it's very, very simple stuff. Now, I could move them in contrary motion at the same time. So I'm same chord, A chord, triad on the white keys in both. But I'm going to start with pinkies together, middle finger, and the thumbs together. And then go in and then out. Go to F. Go to D. Here. Right? Lots of possibilities. There are other sorts of breaking patterns, things like this. Top two together, thumb is separate. Create a melody in the left hand. Let's bring it way down here. I'm going to go to D. E, D, separate out the pinky, the C, from the rest. To A, G, okay, C. I could repeat a note. Starts to sound a little bit classical or classical cinematic crossover, something like that. But you can see there's lots of possibilities with broken triads. Separating out the middle tone. We haven't tried that yet. Separating out the top tone. I could do that arpeggiation of breaking the three tones going up and crossing over hands. This is all E triad. E, G, B, E, G, B, crossover, E, G, B, E, G, B. The same thing over and over. You're going to get something like this. Start again. Let's do it in F. G, A. Let's go to F. G, A. Let's go to D. Now I can come back down. Same chord. Let's hear that again. Stop at any point and then just do something simple. So you get the idea. Lots of sounds, beautiful sounds available to you. It's a great exercise, fun to improvise to. You're just using white key, root position triads, both hands doing the same triads. So have fun with that.